Okay, this is my 96 Suzuki Katana, and I want to just show it to you and do a cold start. I think it's in the upper 30s, maybe 40 degrees today, right now, and I haven't started it in a few days. I want you to see the tire tread and the chain. Let's see if I can get that. The condition of plastic has some scratches. Stick the key in it. Oh, and then some cracks, chips on this side that you need to see. This hole. And then there's a plate that goes right here. I have that. I just don't. I don't normally run with it. All right, so I'm gonna hand my son the camera here. Right, and then we'll fire it up. Thanks. Here, I want to show this baby. I want to hold that so they can see that it's it's clearly cold. It hasn't been running at all. So, all right, I'll show this starting up, Alex. So I had to choke it here. And it's going to be loud, and it needs to run for a while when it's cold like this. Try to keep it around $3 grand for the first couple of seconds. And I drop it down to 2. I think the standard idle is supposed to be 1100. Tire tread too, if you will. Back up and I'll show the lights. That's high, low, the blinker, this blinker. See on the back. Tail light. Oh, you can see that light now. Right. Cold start of the 96 Katana. I think it needs to warm up just a little bit more.
Stop it.
Stop.